It was a perfect day, probably not. And, we were hoping for pole today and we didn't get it, but I think we just didn't quite have it, and Max did a good job. So hats off to Red Bull and hats off to Max. They put it in an impressive lap at the end. But I'm satisfied. It could have been a lot worse. It was so close. You make half a tenth mistake, 1/10 mistake. You're 2, 3, 4 positions back. So as much as I could have asked for more, that's sometimes you got to kind of take it. And I take a P2. Was so like when you're 100th is like this much. So of course I wish it was a little bit better. But it's a long race tomorrow. Rain's expected. I got the hiccups. Many things can happen. So let's see what we can do.